Hello guys, welcome back to the JavaScript series. In this lecture we are going to talk about switch cases in JavaScript. Okay, first of all let me tell you how to use and where to use it, switch cases. If we have too many options to choose, then we can use switch statements or switch cases. Okay, now let me give you an example. First of all, let's say we have a function. You can give any name. Let's say we wanna buy a mobile phone, and guys, honestly speaking, if you want to be a programmer, you need to give real world example. Create yourself, don't look to others. Let's say we wanna buy a mobile phone, and let's say we have a price. Okay, and let me create a variable. Let's say buy. Okay, we just first initialize it, don't say anything else. Okay, now let's switch statement. Yes. Okay, switch statement. Let's say price case. In switch statements or switch cases we have different kind of cases. Like first let's say case, let's say if we have 500 RMB, and let's say buy. Let's say I can buy simply because we have package, we have our budget is like around about 500. And now let me call the break statement. Guys, break here used to execute another statements, like if it will be true and it will be break. Otherwise, let's say case 2 case, let's say we have 1000, and let's say buy. Let's say I cannot buy simply. Okay, so now let's break and let's have another case. Let's say $1500, and now say buy. Let's say it is impossible for me. Okay, now guys, return buy simply and call this function. Let's say console log. Okay, let's say phone, and let's say we have 500. Okay, save it and here refresh it. Guys, here you can say here is I can buy. Okay, now let me change to 1000. Here is option I cannot buy. Okay, so guys, you can say here due to this we use break statement because this condition is true, so we are getting this one, so it will be break and it will not execute, so this one will be execute. Okay, now give me another example. Let's say we have 10,000. Save it and refresh it. Here you can say we got it undefined. So for that cases we can use another one, default statement. Just simply say break, and now let's say default, just simply default, and let's say buy. Let's say it's not in range simply. Oh sorry, misspell it. Okay, now save it and refresh it. Here you can say we got it, it's not in range. So that was very simple about switch statement. Okay guys, meet in the next lecture.